Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Santander mobile banking application not working on your Android device. If you're trying to log in and access your Santander online banking account from your mobile device and it is not letting you get inside your account, or the app is simply not working at all, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could follow. First, make sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Santander mobile banking application is not working on your Android phone, then there might be several reasons for that. The first thing to do is to make sure that you check if your mobile device is connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, the next thing to do is to open up your Santander mobile banking app, log into your account. If you're still not being able to log into your account, then simply close off the mobile banking application from the background and open up settings from your Android. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the app list, tap on Santander UK application. Now, tap on the Force Stop button at the bottom right and tap OK in the pop-up. Tap on the Storage button from the same page and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right in order to clear cache of the application. Once you are done, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. From the pop-up, select OK. Now, once you clear out your data for the app, you'll need to log into your bank account again by entering the credential for the account. Go ahead and launch open Santander mobile banking application and sign into your online banking account like you normally do and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it back again on your Android and you might be able to fix the problem. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever your Santander bank application is not working on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.